So good morning, guys. So normally I don't do this. I do not do impromptu videos. My videos for YouTube are normally scheduled, but I figured, what the heck? I am here at my local Dollar General because here in ours, I know there are others across the US that has craft sections. So I am here to check out the craft section in this Dollar General. I have two in my neighborhood, but I normally go to my other one that's closer to me. So I figured, why not bring y'all along? I need to come and see if I can find some of the objects that I need for my Pour Out series and just some holiday little fun things that I can experiment with. So let's go. Okay, so I'm in the store. I have on a mask, I'm all protected, and I'm in the Christmas section, and I've already found one of the things that I have on my list for the Poured Out series. So I'm excited about that. Let's see what else I can find as far as the crafts. Okay, so they have some different glitter ornaments, snowflakes that can potentially be poured on. So that could be an option. So here's their craft section. There's some frames. Have some different paints. Not every store, Dollar Tree is created equally. Some stores have bigger sections, like my other one that I normally go to, its sections bring me a whole row. So every store is different as far as what they're gonna have. Got some things. They also have a bunch of stuff in boxes that haven't been unpacked yet. Then over here we have some stickers, beads and things, and some more wood craft. So there we go. That is this one. Okay, I am out of there. I didn't get everything that was on my list because some of the items they didn't have, so I substituted them for other items. So I have some really fun things that I am going to be pouring out of, and I am freaking excited about that. Happy Thursday, guys. So some of the craft stuff they did not have, because like I said, their craft section is a lot smaller than the Dollar Tree that I normally go to. So I'm gonna go to that one and check out what they have, because they have a whole lot more ornaments than this one. I mean, it just has a whole lot more. So I'm gonna go check that one out, and I'll shoot some footage while I'm in there of things that I find. All right. Okay, so in Dollar General, why do I keep saying Dollar General? Dollar Tree number 2, my normal one. And yes, it definitely has more stuff as far as my crafts. So, snowflake. So I'm gonna get that. Have something to craft on. Oh, they have huge ornaments. So, shade of those. See? That's a huge ornament. Hopefully you can see it. See? That is so cool. And they have stars. So I'm excited. Okay, so this one is a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and has a lot more variety. The other one did not have all of this, and I am super excited. Like, so much. Okay, so this is the craft section in mine. It goes all the way down. Like I told you, the other one, it was literally just like a little section in the middle of a aisle, and that's it. Where this one is the whole kit and caboodle. So I'm gonna see what I can find here as far as things to pour on, craft with, and test out stuff on. I love it that they have these small canvases in here because these make the perfect size little test canvases for color mixing. If you want to try colors out and you don't want to ruin a big canvas. See, tiny small little canvas that you can use, which is awesome. And they also have canvas panels in here too, so you can try out on as well. Love it, love it, love it. So far, that's the basket for crafts. I'm excited. All right, guys, I am finally done in there, and I came out with 2 bags full of craft stuff and other stuff to potentially pour out of. So I am super duper excited. So there's my 2 bags of goodies. So I cannot wait. I have crafts in here for the girls to do, so we can do together. So yes, this has been my Dollar Tree run, 3 bags later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is not going to be something I do normally because that's not what my channel is about. I don't vlog, but I just figured, nah, what the heck, I'll just give it a try, put it together, and see what you guys think. So until the next video, keep staying amazing, keep crafting, and keep being safe. All right, bye. Okay, I already know I said goodbye, but I just wanted to show you everything collectively together that I got. So brushes, got some fake snow, some colored sand, some glitter glue. I got the little canvases 5x7 and 4x6 to experiment with. Got a peace sign that I could pour over. Got some ornaments that I could pour over. Got some twigs, some stars that I'm gonna try to pour over and see if I can create some. And of course, those 3 huge wooden ornaments that I got that I'm gonna try to pour over, and then some more ornaments that I'm gonna try to pour over. So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you click the subscribe button, you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know. I'm just assuming that you guys are probably not gonna want to see this kind of stuff because honestly my life is boring. I don't leave my house, COVID. So yeah, but leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And until the next video, which hopefully will be Sunday, have an amazing night, day, morning. Keep crafting, keep creating, and keep being amazing. And stay tuned for the next video of the Poured Out series. Bye.